Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch off the Xiaomi 14T Pro. The same methodology we should work with most recent Xiaomi, POCO and Redmi smartphones, which are all under the Xiaomi company. Now let's start off by ensuring the phone is actually on if you want to switch it off. And the way you switch off your Xiaomi smartphone is to press the power button just at the bottom here and the volume up button at the same time. Once you've done that, you're faced with a slider that gives you the option to power off the phone or reboot. In this case, I'm going to slide up to power off, and that will switch off my Xiaomi smartphone. So there you go, really easy video. Now, if you have any questions, if this doesn't work for you, please do leave us a comment in the section below and I'll do my best to get back to you. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we can think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.